to the chart. So right here we are going to have the weekly insight into the probable places where price is likely going to draw towards in this week and where price is going to reverse from. So now, firstly, let us keep in mind that the market sells to buy and the market buys to sell. Why does the market do this? The market does this because institutions, big money, market movers, market makers, they do not just scale in and out of the market at any particular zone. There are precise zones, there are precise price points where they look out for so they can place their orders and get those orders fulfilled. So the zone we are going to be looking at today are the weekly highs and lows. So right here on USD you can see the previous week closing. At this high we can see a sell candle, and at this low we can see a buy candle. So we are not going to be looking out for this pair for a reversal at the weekly high or low, because at the bottom here, which is the low, we want to see a sell candle indicating a clear downtrend, and at the top here we want to see a buy candle indicating a clear uptrend and indicating the fact that the buyers or the sellers likewise are in control. On AUD/USD, right here at the low we can see a sell candle which is very beautiful, so we look out for this low to be taken for a reversal pattern and the trend should go further up. And likewise at the top here we can see the buyers at the top, so we look out for this high to be taken as well for a reversal pattern to the downside, as the case may be. Let us move further. On NZD/USD, we can see at the top of the previous week we can see a buy candle closing right here indicating that the buyers are in control. Likewise in the low right here we can see a sell candle indicating that the sellers are in control. So we expect this high to be taken out for a reversal pattern to draw this trend down. Likewise, if this low is taken out, we can expect a reversal pattern for the trend to rally further up. On GBP/USD, we can see at the high of last week we can see a beautiful pattern here, and we can see a buy candle closing right here. So if price draws up here, we can expect this high to be taken out for the trend to be driven down. Likewise, if this low is taken out, as we have a sell candle at the low, we can expect this low to be taken out for a pattern for the trend to be taken further up. On USD card at the low of last week we can see a buy candle here, so we are not looking out for this low. However, at the top we can see a buy candle, so we expect this high to be taken out for a pattern to the downside. On gold, at the top right here we can see a buy candle here indicating the buyers are in control. So if this high is taken out, we can expect price to rally further down. As you can see, this previous week we can see a buy candle here, and it was slightly taken out before we saw this trend down here. Likewise at this low right here in gold we can see a sell candle here, so if this is taken out we can expect a reversal pattern for the trend to be taken up. Lastly, let us look out for BTC/USD. At the low of BTC/USD we have a buy candle, so we are not going to be looking out for this. However, at the high we can see a buy candle, so we expect this high to be taken out for a pattern to form for the BTC to drop further down. That is all for all. Plan your trade, trade your plan, and most importantly manage your risk and emotions.